Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.9% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices are set to post their first annual decline in 3 years, and a return to the important $100 a barrel mark may prove elusive in early 2024, with record US production offsetting efforts by OPEC Plus to tighten the global market. Nissan Motor said it would sell China-developed electric vehicles globally as it struck a deal with the country's top university. It struck a deal with the country's resources to accelerate research and development on electrification. The dollar rebounded to end last week after Federal Reserve Bank of New York President John Williams pushed back against the market's rate cut expectations, though the dollar index had its worst weekly performance in a month.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US NAHB Housing Market Index will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1630 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 1630 GMT. Germany's IFO Business Climate will be released at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's IFO Current Assessment at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's IFO Expectations at 0900 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.